Yeah.
Good morning. So, yeah, can you please write your names if you joined the session? Write your name on chat. I know that who are joined. It could be easy for me to remember your names and all. Hello, you can hear me, right? If you're able to hear me, can you please use your chat and your you can yes no Jay joined. Yeah, it's Narendra. Okay, cool. Yep. Let's start our session. So, where we left in yesterday's class, నిన్న మనం ఎక్కడ వరకు డిస్కషన్ చేసాం చెప్పండి. సో వెంకటేశ్వర్లు వేముల, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. ఓకే, హాయ్, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ జాయినింగ్ ది సెషన్. యా, so guys, for today I can directly jump into our task. Like, if you are recently graduated and if you are really looking for job, I can have a plan for that. I hope you can use that plan and you can easily get the job in a short period of time. Clear? Right? Right or not? Yep. So, if you are the fresher, then you want to get the job in a easy manner, then it's very simple, guys. I can directly tell you that, the plan for that. The first thing is that, it's a 3 months plan. You have to plan yourself. You should be available 3 months. Okay. So, we'll target job within we'll target for job within a 3 months. Okay, so how we can do that, I can tell you the plan for you first. 3 months plan. 3 months a plan. You can see my screen, right? Okay, so it's a 3 months plan. So within this particular 3 months plan, then how you can able to get the job, I can tell you. The first one is, I told you, right, as a student or even a fresher, you must have some proper skills. First, we'll see what are the skills you must require. So, tell me, what are the skills you must require to get the job as a fresher? The first one is, you must have communication skills. Communicational skills. So, for getting the communication skills, you don't need to spend too much time, and you don't need to join any spoken English classes, and don't join any other, don't join any kind of that kind of things actually. Okay, but how you can able to improve your communication skills within 3 months, that is a one thing actually. So for that one, you just spend only, in a daily basis, just spend only 30 minutes in your 24 hours. In your 24 hours, you just spent only 30 minutes for communication skills, guys. Communication skills means it's a kind of bit of English language. Okay, you have to speak, you have to be, express your thoughts, you have to express your knowledge in front of the interviewer. So definitely you should use the language is English, right? So for that one, you know people will think like, I know a lot of things and I know how can I handle the interview in English, something like that. But even the English, even you have a solid knowledge in English, okay, but you have to spend 30 minutes. Okay, it is not improve your skills, it may improve your confidence. Okay, clear, right? Just to spend only 30 minutes. Within that particular 30 minutes, what you have to do, I will tell you later. Okay, clear? Okay, so next one is aptitude and reasoning. Okay, so coming to the aptitude and reasoning, so again here, don't spend too much time, because it may change, it may require some of the companies, it may not require some of the companies. But you should have this particular aptitude and reasoning skills to to handle some kind of written test and all. So that is the reason you just spend only 1 hour in a daily basis. Okay, even for learning, even for practice, both, combination of both, actually, aptitude and reasoning. Okay, so next one is Python programming language. Okay, Python programming language. So why Python programming language? Because now the most trending programming language is a Python. Everywhere we are using in IT field, even you're looking for testing, even you're looking for development, even you're looking for any kind of technology like data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, or if you're looking for um, uh, development, web development, full stack, whatever it is, even cyber security, you can target any IT role. Python is the mandatory these days. Okay, so that is the reason you can start learning Python. For that one, you have to spend 2 hours in a daily basis, just 2 hours. Okay, for 1 hour is practice, 1 hour for learning, only 1 hour for practice. Okay, next one is data structures and algorithms. Data structures and algorithms, for this one you have to spend only 1 hour. Okay, next, fourth one is SQL, cloud integrated SQL. So for this one, I'm going to be using the Azure. I can recommend you Azure. Okay, SQL along with Azure Cloud. So for this one, you have to spend only 1 hour for practice as well as learning both. Okay, so now communication skills 30 minutes, aptitude and reasoning 1 hour, and Python programming language 2 hours, and data structures and algorithm is 1 hour, and SQL and with cloud integration it could be 1 hour. Totally how many hours? 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, and 30 minutes, 5.5 hours, right? Right, 5.5 hours. So approximately you can say 6 hours. Clear? 6 hours. Just spend 6 hours. Now, this is for upgrading your skills within this particular 3 months. Okay. Next step is next step is okay. Next step is you should spend some time for second one is placement process. Previous one is learning process. Within the 3 months, what you should learn, that is the plan for that. Okay, for 3 months. And within the 3 months itself, we have the placement plan. The same first 3 months. This is first 3 months, guys. So previous slide, whatever I have showed with you, this is first 3 months learning plan. First 3 months learning plan. First one is the communication skills, second one is the aptitude and reasoning, third one is the Python programming language, fourth one is the data structures and algorithms, and fifth one is, or fourth one is SQL and Azure, cloud integrated SQL. That's it. This is for first 3 months learning plan. Okay. next step is next step is, okay, first 3 months placement plan. First 3 months placement plan. Within this particular first 3 months, what you have to do? What you have to do? The first one is, you should, in a day one itself, you should build one resume. Whatever the 3 months plan we have it, whatever the 3 months learning plan you have it, and from that particular learning plan, with help of those skills what you want to learn in next 3 months, so with help of those skills we have to build the resume with first 3 months whatever you want to learn. Okay. First 3 months learning plan. Within the first 3 months whatever you want to learn. Okay. So with help of those skills we have to build your resume, so that your profile, it should be bit qualified, bit quality. And second one is, and you have to be join or create various job portals. Okay. What are the job portals you need to be target? Tell me, what are the most job portals are available in market? I can tell you the first one is, what is that? First one is Naukri, right? Naukri. Second one is LinkedIn. Yes or no? LinkedIn. What is third one? Third one is Indeed India. Indeed. Okay. Fourth one is Monster. Okay. Monster India. And the fifth one is Shine India, and something like this. Okay. These are the most job portals in India. Okay. So LinkedIn, Naukri, LinkedIn, Indeed, Monster, Shine, and various things. Clear? So whatever the resume you have built, with help of that particular resume, okay, you have to create these are all these are all job portals. Okay, you have to be create, these are all job portals. Okay. And next one is add the internship. Add the internship in your resume. So if you don't have proper internship, okay, at least you have to apply. Don't don't pay anything for getting the internship for any company. Okay. Don't pay any single penny for getting the internship from any company. That is a fraud, that is a scam. Don't do that. Okay. But you should add the internship in your resume. And from either you might have a lot of online kind of things are there, or else you can approach me. I can tell you how we can get that internship with a free of cost. Okay. Don't pay any penny ru- don't pay any don't pay any single rupee for getting the internship from any company. Okay. So but you should add the internship in your resume. Clear? So that is the first one is, build your resume with the first 3 months learning plan. And meanwhile you should add the internship in your resume. Okay. And next one is, with help of this all skills, and you have to create this all job portals. And in a daily basis update update the update your all job portals, update your all job portals in a daily ones. Okay. Daily ones daily ones, first week, till the first week, don't apply any jobs. Don't apply any jobs in LinkedIn or Indeed, Naukri, Monster, Shine. Okay. First one week. First 1 week, don't apply. Only update. First 1 week, you should update your all job portals. Okay. So that's how your portals should be, a bit of trendy, something like that. Okay, clear? And after the first week, then what we have to do, we can start apply. This is second week. Okay, within the 3 months itself, that means after next 2 weeks itself, after next week itself, you have to start apply jobs. Start apply jobs this in this from all job portals. Okay, it might be, Naukri, it might be LinkedIn, or it might be Indeed, it might be Monster, it might be Shine, no, whatever it is. Okay, you can start apply jobs from second week onwards, not from the first week. Okay, first week you can update. Second week onwards you can update, as well as you can apply for the jobs. Okay, in a third week, what you will do, you might get some kind of calls from recruiters. And so this third week, what you should do, you have to prepare how you have to convince your skills to the recruiter. First of all, your recruiter should be satisfied with your skills, with your, voice. Clear? You have to be express your knowledge, and you should show them, like, your interest to get into the IT, what you're doing for that one. And you can say, currently I'm doing one internship, some so on so on company. Okay, and so I'm very much eager to start my career as a full time, not an internship. Okay, not as an intern. So if you have any opportunity, I'm ready for that. And that's how, you have to be talk to them. And they must be impress your skills with your voice, and your with your resume, and your, knowledge and all. You have to express them. Okay, maybe if they don't have a job in a current moment, they can keep your resume, and they can use that resume in a further actions and all. Clear, right? Clear or not? So guys, in a first week you're updating. Second one is updating and applying the jobs. In a third week, you have to update your Naukri, you have to update these all job portals and applying the jobs. And you may get the calls, you may not get the calls, but don't worry, you have to start practicing how you can talk to them. Recruiters. That is a one of the fundamental thing you need to remember it. Clear? So if you don't know how to talk to them, and you don't know how to convince them, then it could be the problem for you. Okay, you won't get any kind of next calls. They might be call you, and they can ask you, like, this is the position we have, it will you like to do that? Then you have to impress your skills. They have to feel that, definitely, if I map this particular position to this particular guy, then definitely you can crack the interview. That kind of, whether you may crack the interview, you may not crack the interview, but you have to convince them you can definitely crack that particular interview. Okay, you're not begging the job, you can able to do the solution. Okay, don't beg your job, don't ask the job, I'm ready to, I can do any work, and I'm ready for job, and don't ask this kind of things actually. Okay, so what you can do, this is the skill set I have it, I'm learning some new skills as well. If you have any kind of position, you can map it, and I can definitely crack the interview. Okay, so this is the confidence they might be looking for it, even more, this, confidence actually. Clear, right? Clear or not? If you got this particular information, can you message it once? Can you message it in a chat? Are you following my points? Are you following my plan? See guys, this is for first month learning plan. Sorry, first 3 months learning plan. No, don't join any institute. Don't join, different things. Okay, so first 3 months your learning plan is communication skills, aptitude and reasoning, Python, data structures and algorithms, SQL, cloud integrated with SQL. Okay, so don't join for any kind of specific courses. I'm against for that one. It's a big scam, guys. It's a big scam. I can tell you, I can reveal that, what could be the scam. It could be, it's their strategies and all, try to understand my points. I'm not, I can also, like, I'm a data scientist and a AI engineer. Okay, I can ask you, like, I can able to give the training on artificial intelligence, I can give the training on machine learning, I can give the training on deep learning, and you can join into my classes, and you can, you have to pay this much of amount, and within 3 months or 4 months and 5 months you can able to get the job. This kind of things, like, I can also do that. But don't, you are the freshers, right? You are the freshers. You guys are freshers, not experienced guys. Okay, for experienced guys, if they want to change their technology, they have to concentrate on technology based trainings. Okay, but you are the freshers, guys, you are the freshers. If you're the freshers, don't concentrate on the technology. I'm against for that one. Even I am the strong enough in AI and data science, but I'm not able to, encourage you to start learning data science and start learning that kind, this one, you know deep learning, machine learning, and natural language. I'm not telling to learn those all things. It will take a lot of time. You already done your graduation. Okay, you have only limited time. You have only 1 year only to get the job. After 1 year, what happens? Again, your juniors will come to as a, competition for you. Yes, definitely, for self learning it's really tough. If you want to learn some new skills, definitely you can contact me. Okay, my number is 7696967632. I can help you. What you have to learn. If you need any kind of help for learning perspective, I can help you. But thing is that, don't think yourself. My brother says that, present market is artificial intelligence, you could just go and learn artificial intelligence. Some people, they might be working on cyber security, and your uncle or your brothers, and they can say, you can go and learn cyber security, I can give the help for you, I can refer you. He can refer only in his company only. He just refer only in his company only. But like you, so many people are waiting for the job. Okay, will you get or not? That is also question mark, right? For one for one choice, if you are spending too many months, then you are losing. Your brother is not losing, your uncle is not losing the time. You're losing your time. Can we recover your time? Okay, you invested 25,000, you invested 50,000, you invested 1 lakh for getting the job. You can recover in after 5 months, or you can recover after 1 year, you can recover after 10 years also. But can we recover your time? Tell me. No, right? No, right? So many students are facing an issue, what they have to learn, and how they have to learn. Okay, how they have to grab the interview. So they are facing this kind of problem. Okay, there is a one only solution. You have you have limited time. Okay, so that you have to spend at least 6 hours for learning. This 6 hours also, you have to spend learn only fundamentals. Only fundamentals, not, any technology oriented trainings. Please listen, these points are very important. Okay, so if some people, like, they might have some kind of experience in different technology, maybe non IT or IT, whatever it is. Okay, they might be come to us, sir, I want to be change my domain. Then at that particular situation, I can tell them, don't, you have to target on one specific technology. This technology having the booming, so you can learn that particular technology, you can go ahead. But for you guys, no, don't spend time for learning in a technology. Okay, so first spend 3 months learning these skills. If you're confident on these skills, then you can plan next thing. Okay, yeah, this is first 3 months learning plan. After the 3 months, I can reveal the scam, what is happening in market. Okay, I can definitely reveal it. Okay, so this is first 3 months placement plan. So first day, what you should do. First day, you have to build your resume along with internship. You can ask, if you ask me where I can get internship, you can message me. I can tell you how you can get the internship with a free of cost. Free of cost. Okay, don't spend time. Don't invest money for this internships and all. You already done. Okay, so build your resume with this 3 months learning plan, and create various job portals. And we have to update. These are all job portals in every day. Okay, even you're getting the calls or not getting the calls, then second week onwards you have to start applying the jobs, and third week onwards you have to start preparing yourself how you can able to interact to the people, new people, especially for recruiters, how you have to talk to the recruiters. Okay, that is the third month plan, third week plan. Okay, in a fourth week onwards, these things are common: updating, applying, preparing, learning, preparing, practice. Okay, and this is the only thing you have to follow it. So at least at least 3 to 6 hours you have to spend time for placement plan. Okay, 6 hours for learning, 6 hours for placements. So total 12 hours. If and only if you able to spend 12 hours in a daily basis, then only you can able to get the job within a 3 months. If you are not able to spend time 12 hours and I can join in any one of the institute and they will help me to get the job, no one will help you. You may lose 1 year of time. Your freshers, your juniors will come. Okay, and what they will do, again they will give some kind of competition for you to you, and it will take 1 more year. So 2 years are done, your fresher quality is done, over. Okay, then what happens? Then what happens? The market what's doing, right? People will do some kind of fraud things, and if they don't have any kind of experience, they put some kind of experience, and that's how they will do, right? So it is wrong, guys, it's wrong, don't do like that. Okay, clear? So spend at least 3 months to get the job in a daily basis, 6 hours for learning, 6 hours for placements. Learning, you should learn, guys, no one will learn you. Okay, but okay, that's fine. For this 6 hours, if you're not able to do that, updating your job portals, and you're not able to applying, you're not able to applying the various jobs, and you don't know how we can talk to them. If you need any kind of help for this particular situation, I can help you for placement things. Okay, and behalf of you, I can create the resume for you. I can create various job portals for you. I can try to update I can update your job portals in a daily basis, and I can apply the jobs for you. Okay, and you have to prepare for this thing you have to do. You have to prepare for how to talk to the recruiters. Okay, and you have to apply that skills to the this particular scenarios. Then only you can able to get the proper job. Proper job you can get it. You can get non-IT or IT, whatever it is, voice, non-voice, different kind of things. So brother, how to learn a concepts properly? If you're learning a new framework, programming language, how to get the strong knowledge in that? Can you share me experience, please? Developer Magesh, brother, how to learn a concept properly if you learning a new framework, Python programming language, how to get strong knowledge in that? Can you share your experience? Sure, that's a great question. Magesh, is it Magesh? Yep. So how you can able to uh, I understood your question. uh, Brother, how to concept? Okay, so if you took one particular concept, then how you can get the master in that particular concept, right? That's what you were saying, right? Okay, I can tell you, I can reveal that one. Definitely we'll talk that one also. I hope you understood, right? This is the first 3 months plan, guys. This first 3 months. Okay, this is the first 3 months. First 3 months I can come to your question, no worry. Okay, and first 3 months is, okay, learning, applying jobs, that is fine. Fourth months, sir, I did, I followed your strategy, but for the 3 months, in the 3 months also I didn't get the job. Some situations happen because of the market outside. Okay, and maybe no jobs may available, jobs may not available, but don't lose your hope, because so many people are trying for gout jobs. Okay, they are waiting years and years. Okay, but for us also it won't take bit of time, but if you follow my strategy, there could be chance of 80 percentage of chances are there to get the job in a 3 month, within the 3 months. But within 3 months, if you didn't get the job, then what you should do? This is the fourth month plan actually. fourth month to sixth month plan. I have the 1 year plan. I have the 1 year plan. So I have already shared with you 3 months plan. Now, from the fourth month to 6 months plan, what you should do after completion of your all basic fundamental skills is done, and your resume is there, and you are already added the internship. Okay, and you're applying various jobs and all. Okay, and but even though you're getting the jobs and you're unable to crack it, but no problem, you don't worry about it. I can have one extension plan for after 3 months. Then that after that you can concentrate on, I already told you, like you should add some internship, right? Okay, in your resume I said you should add internship, right? That internship, it might be it might be target on one specific technology, right? It might be target on one specific technology, right? It might be data science, or it might be artificial intelligence, it might be anything. Okay, after completed after completion of your 3 months learning plan only, you can go ahead with the technology. You can go ahead with the technology, because you're already added the internship. With this particular internship, you might did lot of task. That particular task, you have to use this particular technology. Okay, so for example, you know that the SQL, you know the Python, you know the cloud also, right? Then you can start building knowledge on machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing, prompt engineering. Okay, prompt engineering. Okay, so you can say, first 3 months I'm working as internship so on so on company, and I'm using these skills: machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and prompt engineering. Okay, whenever you start learning these skills, then you should update your resume again. You should update your resume, because you're added internship and you start learning these skills. And whatever the skills you started learning, those skills you should added in your resume, and you can start applying the jobs. You can start applying the jobs again. Okay, update your resume, update again all job portals, and again you should you know applying the jobs, and you may get some kind of calls from the recruiters. Again, you have to talk in a language, in a language of what? In a language of technology. So as of now, from the last 3 months, I'm working for so and so on company as intern, and these are the tasks I did. For that one, I'm using the machine learning, I'm using the deep learning, I'm using natural language processing. But I'm not targeting on the only artificial intelligence machine learning, because I got an opportunity to work as a AI. I did actually. But now if you have any kind of position, I'm ready to take over. Okay, you know the Python, but you are the recruiter is saying that we have a requirement for the Java. Okay, no problem. You can say, I learned Python, but I know the basics of Java. That easily I can able to learn Java programming language if you given an opportunity. And from the last 6 months, and from the last 3 months, these are the skills I have did, and I can able to easily learn some new skills also. I can explore it. That's how you have to talk to them, guys. That's how you have to talk to them. Clear? Clear or not? Is it clear or not? Okay, so after the fourth after 3 months, fourth one and 6 months, you have target on machine learning, deep learning, and prompt engineering. Okay, because these are the most trending things in the market. But before start these things, you should have aptitude and reasoning. You should have knowledge on Python programming language and data structures, and you should have knowledge on SQL and cloud integration, and you should have knowledge on these things. After that only you can start loading of this machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and prompt engineering. Otherwise, don't learn. Okay, if you're not interested to learn these things, you can stay. You can keep with those skills, like your communication skills, and practice those things itself. Okay, and if and only if you're more interested, you can do these things. Otherwise, don't do that. If you're not interested this particular technology, then if you're interested in other technology, then you can start learning those particular technology actually. Okay, whatever the technology you are interested. But my choice is that always, what skills are more demand in the market, you can start learn those things. Okay, but some of the people, they might have interest in different technology, right? So, and in a fourth month or 6 months, you can target on that specific technology. But people are what doing actually, they completed their graduation, they're directly jumping into the technology before starting or before completion of their fundamental skills. That is the problem is happening. Okay, clear? Okay, so in any other technology, not only this one, if you're interested in any technology, you can start learning of that particular technology. But that technology, based on that technology, we have to update your resume with internship kind of thing, not learning kind of thing. I have learned these things, I have learned that particular thing, from the last 3 months onwards, I'm learning. No one will like you if you're learning. Okay. So IT will always likes who are applying. Okay, or applying your skills, whatever the, for example, you have only limited skills. That limited skills, how you're applying, they will see that particular thing only. Okay, so IT is not expecting that you must be master in all the technologies. So IT is expecting only, yes, IT is expecting only, whatever the skill you have it, how you're applying in 100%. Okay, got it? Yes, Shelly, how are you? Yes, hello. Yep, agreed, bro. Yeah, yeah. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Yeah. So this is fourth month plan. Fourth month plan, you can target on the technology. The technology, it could be anything. My choice is machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, prompt engineering. Okay, then you have to update your resume. Then you can start applying the jobs and prepare in such a way. Like, you have to talk to them like, I have done this particular internship. And these are the skills I have used, and this is the task I have done. These are the responsibilities I did so far. And if you talk in such a way, they might be like that, I am final year student, pretty confused. Should I go with DevOps or continued development? I understood, but that's what I'm trying to tell you, Shelly. So yes, yes. Don't try for any technology before fundamentally if you are not strong. Okay. So for you, I already told in yesterday's workshop also I have already shared. But if you are the fresher, if you're the final year student, okay, you can target on these things only. Okay, communication skills, aptitude and reasoning, Python, data structures and algorithms, cloud integrated SQL. Okay, this is the things you first learn. First you must be, first you must have good enough knowledge in this particular area. Then only you can concentrate on which technology you are interested. Okay, so you may interest anything. I don't want to stop your interest and all, because I always encourage who are having some kind of interest in different technology. You should explore in all the technology. You can don't stop in one particular area. Okay, I always recommend you, always encourage you, like you can learn anything. But before learn anything, first complete these things. First you should have solid concrete knowledge on this skills. Then you can start learn anything. Like if you want to learn DevOps, or if you want to learn testing, or if you want to learn somewhat full stack development, you can. Got it, Shelly? Amandas. Got it? Any questions? Yeah, yeah. So for learning these skills, it won't take much time. Just in a daily, even though if you are the final year student, don't learn all the things in a one daily basis. Like, this is for who are recently completed the graduation. They don't have the time. That is the reason you have to spend this many hours in a days. But if you are the student, don't spend that much of time for this all things. You just start learning one after one. Okay, if and communication skills, and this is daily basis, 30 minutes you have to spend for it. And aptitude and reasoning, 1 hour. This is 1.5 hour. It's a daily basis. You can, even if you start learning Python, you have to concentrate on these two things. Even if you start learning of data structures and algorithms, these two things are common. Okay, got it? So one after one you can start learning, not all at a time. But if you're completed your graduation, start learning this thing. Daily you have to spend 6 hours for learning these all skills, which is not depending one after one. Okay, if you know the communication skills, then only you can should I learn aptitude and reasoning? No, not like that. For who are recently graduated. Okay, so spend time, some time for communication skills, some time for aptitude reasoning, spend some time for Python programming language and data structures and algorithms, spend some time for Azure integrated cloud, SQL integrated, or cloud integrated SQL. Clear? This is for graduation or freshers who recently graduated, for those things actually. For fourth month and 6 months, target on the this technology, then update your resume, do these things. And guys, even sixth months also, if you didn't get the job, okay, in the sixth months also, if you didn't get the job, then I can give the job for you. I only hire you. Got it? I only pay you. I can use your skills. Sure, Magesh, I can do that. If you have a time, can you make a dedicated video on the AML roadmap for Python developers? Sure, I can do that. Yeah. See, guys, sixth month, at the end of the sixth month, if you didn't get the job with my plan, I can hire you. I can hire you for my own, tasks and all as intern. In a monthly basis, I can give you some salary and all, as a stipend until you're getting the job. Got it? Got it or not? This is the boom offer for you all. Any questions? Any questions? If you have any questions, what is your profession? Yes, I am data scientist and artificial intelligence engineer. I have around 10 years of experience. Currently, I'm working in MNC, and so even I can do some kind of trainings and all whenever I have a time. But I can spend some amount of time for you all. And the location of this one is near Infosys, Pocharam, Hyderabad. Okay. Yep. If you need the LinkedIn, I can send you the LinkedIn. Let me show you. So this is my LinkedIn. That's a good question. Okay. This is my LinkedIn, and you can contact me. I have around more than 5795 connections are there. And have one more LinkedIn also. Okay, and that is somewhere else. Yeah, clear, right? I'm getting top NIDs and lower IIDs for MTech, which I should select. I'm getting top NIDs and lower IITs for MTech, which I should. Jai Pandya, right? So for MTech thing, for MTech, are you looking for any kind of you know profession, something like teaching or lecturer, professor, some kind of thing? You can let me know. Jay Pandya. Jay Pandya, I got a yes, not doing it for placement in industry. No, doing it for placement in IT in industry. Jay Pandya, I didn't get your question. You're asking like, I'm getting top NITs and lower IITs for MTech. Which should I select? And second question is, no, doing it for placement in industry. I mean, you're looking for some kind of jobs, IT job. You're looking for IT job only, right? Okay. If you're looking, I'm doing to get into top MNCs. Yeah, if you're looking for top MNCs, then you can try for MNCs companies. And for if you want to do that MTech, and I can say, um, I can say IITs only. Even it is a lawyer, IITs, you can try for IITs only. Okay. And even you're doing your MTech, you can apply the jobs. You can apply the jobs also. Any questions, guys? I'm happy to answer your questions. See, if within the 6 months, if you're not getting the job, you can approach me. I can try to give you the offer for you. Okay, with my own. I have my own projects, and I can hire you for doing that particular projects. Okay. Any other questions? And guys, if you need any kind of further learnings, or if you're looking for jobs updates and all, if you need any kind of services for placements, what I can do offer for you all. You have to concentrate on learning, practice, preparing for interviews. Only these three things I'm looking from your end. If you need any kind of other extension of the work, like preparing the resume, or updating your resume as per your skills, what you learn, and if you done your internship, then if you want to update your resume, or if you want to update your various job portals and applying the jobs behalf of you, if you need this all kind of things, I can definitely help you with my team and all. Okay, I have a team for that, to do this all kind of things for stuff for you, behalf of you. You can just concentrate on the learning some new skills, and practicing those skills, and preparing for interviews. And if you're getting any kind of interview, or if you're getting any kind of recruiter call from your end, you can talk to them in a professional way. That's how they can convince, and they can try to send your resume to the client, and they can try to put the some kind of real interviews. And that time, you have to crack the interviews actually. Okay, if you're spending too much time for applying the jobs, and if you're not learning, there is no use. And if you're spending all the time for learning, if you're not applying the jobs, then there is no use. Okay, if you have a time, you can do it. If you don't have a time, you can approach me, I can do it behalf of you. Clear? Any questions? And one more thing, I'm going to announcing that, from tomorrow onwards, I'm going to start the Python programming language. And so if you're interested, you can join that particular live sessions as well. I am a full stack developer. I'm looking for opportunity to contribute the innovative projects and how to grow the great team. Please let me know if there any openings or if you consider my profile. Sure, uh, sure, Shelly. So what you can do, I can share you my email and you can drop your resume to that one. Okay, skill tech at gmail.com. skillteq at gmail.com. That is my email id. Okay, you can drop your resume and I can try to review it and I can put the one small interview, and if I satisfied, then I can hire you. Which language you are using for full stack developer? Java or Python? Which language you are using for full stack developer? Full stack Java developer. So you mean to say you have a Java skills, right? That's good. And yep. And what about, okay, so are you student or else you completed graduation or something, you're looking for job and all, what it is? You are the final year student. That's a great. Even you're in final year, you have done your technology, and you are have full enough knowledge, or the basics only you learn what it is. You learn that full stack Java. So is it like end to end, or else basic fundamentals? How did you learn? So what about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular? Do you know those things as well? End to end, now trying testing. Don't try multiple technologies, Shelly. Concentrate on the one technology, dedicated with that one, and deep dive into that technology, because technology is a ocean. So whenever you are learning, and when you're applying in a new area, or if you're applying somewhere, so you will get a lot of issues, and most of the time will take that, solving those particular things only. Yes, front end is the critical, crystal clear. Yeah, that's good. So you can share me your resume, I can review your resume, and if I'm satisfied, then I can hire you as an intern. Okay, what other things, guys? If you have any questions in terms of career guidance, or if you need any kind of things, if you have any questions, doubts, confusions, and please ask the questions. I am ready to answer your questions. No questions? Okay, so here I'm announcing that I'm going to start the 100% placement program, 100% placement program. And from tomorrow onwards, if you're interested, you can contact me. I can share you the details and all. Okay, it's a it's a full package for the 100% job guarantee program. There you can learn first 3 months plan, and fourth month to 6 month plan as well. And till that, if you're not getting any kind of job, I only hire you with my own setup and all. I can use your skills for implementing some new things and all. Okay, and that's how also you can able to earn, and until you're getting the job. Okay, and so I'm going to announcing that particular uh, you know 100% job guarantee program. And if you're interested, you can join that particular sessions as well. And it could be offline and online. And for offline, it's a near Infosys Pocharam, Hyderabad. And for online also, it could be live videos, and which whatever the thing you are comfortable, you can do that. Okay, but I can always recommend that, if you are really looking for job. And so offline sessions are good rather than in online and all. Okay, I don't know whether you're practicing or not, and whether you're getting knowledge or not. If you're getting any kind of doubts, you can put the message, I can reply you. But if you're in offline, then I can help you a lot. All right. S- yep. Any other questions, guys? I'm not getting any kind of questions. You're all, and I'm getting only from Jai Pandey and Amanda Shelley and and developer Magesh. Only these guys. Don't you have a questions? See, guys, in this particular 100% job guarantee program, what I want to share with you, I can give you the training on communication skills, aptitude and reasoning, and Python programming language, and SQL and cloud integration. And next one is resume building and updating your resumes, applying the jobs behalf of you. Okay, and I can train you how you can able to talk to the people, and for especially for HR recruiters. And next one is mock interviews and HR preparations. Okay, these are all combination package actually. And after 3 months, what we can do, we can target on the any one of the technology whatever you are interested. I can recommend you machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing, and prompt engineering. And then after, generative AI, agentic AI, so agents and all. So this kind of things I can suggest you. But if you're really interested in any other technology, you can start learning those things as well. Okay, yeah. And so until you're getting the job, I can't leave you actually. So it's your choice, like what you can do, what action you want to take it, and that all things up to you actually. Okay, clear. And this is for my end actually. So if you really like it, and please like my channel and all. And you can, if you're looking for job in offline and online, you can contact me. And so I think, I would like to tell you my number as well. 7696 967632. So, sir, actually, we have a C program lab external on Tuesday, and we have nearly 34 programs. How we can remember this all? So, it's a bad thing, first of all. Coding never remember. Okay, coding is all your practice. And first you should have syntax knowledge, coding syntax knowledge. Second, you should have some logical ability. If one only have logical ability and syntax knowledge and logical ability, if you combine these two things, then only you can solve any programs. Not only the 34 programs, it could be anything. We have to write on the paper. Yeah, even, any program you can start writing on the paper itself, not in the in a computer. When you're writing the code on the computer, you can get a lot of confusion and all. So once if you're confirmation, and if you can write the program on your paper, and you feel it everything is good, then you can executing on the system. Yeah, one question from the Magesh. Okay, so for developer Magesh, are you there here? If you are there, then I can tell you what could be the roadmap for A and ML. tool concept proper. Okay, concept you for loving new framework and all. So if you really remember the concepts and all, then what you can do, you have to be, learn one specific concept, and you have to be apply that concept in any one of the project, or at least one use case. You can take one use case, and how you can apply that particular concept in that particular use case, then you can remember it, Magesh. Okay. And one more thing, if you really become like a AI and ML engineer, what could be the roadmap? The roadmap is, first one is you should have good skills in SQL, sorry, Excel. First Excel. So first you can concentrate on the Excel. Okay, next one is you should have knowledge on Python programming language, SQL. And the next one is machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing. Okay, after that one, prompt engineering, then generative AI. Okay, now agentic AI. Got it? And there are so many frameworks are there, and you have to concentrate on the those particular frameworks as well. Got it? Yep. I hope I'm clear about this all things. And if you're really looking for any kind of job guarantee programs, or if you're looking for really job, and if you're still confused, and I don't take any money from you for giving some kind of career guidance. It's absolutely free of cost. Okay, for career guidance and all. Okay, so you can contact me whenever you want to be reach out for any kind of guidance. And if you're confused, if you're stuck somewhere else, and what I want to do next, and if you are facing that kind of issues, I can take your calls, I can take your messages, I can read your messages, I can definitely help you what you have to do next. Okay, for career guidance, absolutely is a free of cost, guys. I don't take any money from your end. I have a time, definitely I can help you. Yep. Yeah. Okay. So that's it from my end, guys. Thank you so much for joining this particular session. And I'm really happy for you all, and all the best for your futures and careers. And if you need any help in future as well, you can contact me. And these sessions, I can, I would like to take a series of Python classes from the tomorrow onwards. And if you really like it, or if you want to be learn those things as well, online, and you can join the my sessions as also. And for links and all, and for any kind of communications and all, you can reach out us. I can definitely take you into that particular sessions and all. Okay, clear? Thank you so much for your time and efforts. And I'm really happy for you all. Even it is a Sunday, you guys have spent a lot of time with me, and that's a great thing. And I really thankful to all of you. Take care, guys. Bye.